child, they took me into the church to save my soul. And the priest prayed to his God above as he dipped my little body in that water bowl. Oh, 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 I'm made out of water. Water is the only thing can quench my thirst. And I'm always trying to get back to the water from that very first breath on my day of birth. One day I found myself on an island. I dove into the ocean so warm and sweet, and the songs came and shook me to my spirit like the big waves crashing on that white sand beach. Then you came and took me down to the river, helped me get into a little red boat, and held my hand, said, baby, flip on over. Oh, the goddess loves the rhythm of this rock and roll. Oh, 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 I'm made out of water. Water is the only thing can quench my thirst. And I'm always trying to get back to the water from that very first breath on my day of birth. Now I live by the rushing rhythm of a beautiful snow-fed mountain creek, and I pray each day to gain a little wisdom as I let the cold water baptize me. I am a woman guided by emotion, dancing to the groove of the ebb and flow, and the moon pulls on me like she pulls on the ocean. I'm her current from my head down to my little toe. Whoa, oh, oh, I'm made out of water. Water is the only thing can quench my thirst. And I'm always trying to get back to the water from that very first breath on my day of birth. Oh, 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 I'm made out of water. Water is the only thing can quench my. Watch me. I'm always trying to get back to the water